So now we can look at AUD and NZD. As you can see with AU on the daily time frame, we've had our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this low that we were speaking about, but we've still got this low here and a low down here that could be taken before seeing those upside continuation plays. We did also have some bad employment data news on the Australian dollar overnight, and that has created a sell-off in towards the downside. As we were speaking about yesterday, we have now switched bearish on the lower time frame with a break of structure. So this is technically my swing high and this is my swing low. Although looking at the daily time frame, we could be ready for another drive in towards the upside. I just want to see how price reacts. If we start to form like a lower time frame trend, then I'll be looking to get in long and capitalize on the movement up. And if we don't and we start looking towards this low over here as a daily liquidity point to then fuel the move up, I'll be looking to try and capitalize on any downside moves. So if we go down onto the 1 hour time frame, what that will look like is, as you can see, our break of structure over here, our swing high and our swing low. For any shorts, I'd want to see a break of this low, come back up, look at this point of liquidity as the fuel to then position myself in any shorts if we get the confirmation. The other alternative is to see a break of this high. I'd want to see a second break up, and then I'd be looking for any liquidity points within this impulse here to get taken, to then position myself in any longs to start targeting the highs. If we move on to NZD, we can see on the daily time frame we've got a break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated the only point of liquidity within the impulse before then switching bullish on the lower time frame. Moving down onto the 4 hour, what we can see is we have broken in towards the upside with our initial break and then followed by another break. NZD has held its 4 hour structure as of the time of recording. We've liquidated all of the available liquidity within this impulse, but we haven't quite yet seen that bullish momentum come into the market. So if we move down onto the 1 hour time frame, what I'll be looking for today is a break of this high here, a nice break, come back down to retest, maybe take out this point of liquidity if it starts pushing, to then see that real movement towards the upside play out, definitely at least towards these highs over here.